Hi and welcome to AWS CodeGuru. This machine learning-powered service improves your code quality and application performance with automated reviews and recommendations. CodeGuru has two components, Reviewer and Profiler. Reviewer scans code for bugs, security issues, and best practices, supporting languages like Java and Python. Profiler analyzes application performance, identifying bottlenecks. It integrates with GitHub, code commit, and CI/CD pipelines. Picture a development team building a web app. CodeGuru Reviewer catches a memory leak, saving hours of debugging, or Profiler optimizes a slow API, improving user experience. Its actionable insights make coding more efficient and reliable. Why CodeGuru? It boosts productivity and reduces costs, perfect for teams of all sizes. Try AWS CodeGuru on the AWS console today and elevate your code quality. Thanks for listening.